Hello traders, I hope guys you're having a good day today, and I just finished London morning session, and let me share with you guys how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move on to three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD and if you look at the 4-hour, yesterday London morning we had this long trade here, banked beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the resistance level. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is given in the video description, by the way. All right, so as always, as you can see here, price respected, our buys were short from here. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and we are short from yesterday, and we have taken all the short trade here, especially when the price broken this major support. As you can see here, free traffic, so we have taken all these pullbacks and bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit and bank amazing profit. If you look at the Euro USD 4-hour intraday charts, as you can see here, this is the analysis, intraday analysis yesterday at the New York session. Once I banked the profit at this level, that's what explained price was at this level. In 4-hour, as you can see here, explained to my trader, if the price is going to break this level, then we're going to be possibility of short trade here, or otherwise long in 4-hour if the price going to break the previous high. Price nicely broken, as you can see here, and afterwards we have explained to take all these pullbacks. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, all pullbacks. Once the price develop low high, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit, and sort of like price developing it another bearish flag pattern, which I did another analysis this morning. And as you can see here, explain to my trader, if the price is going to break this level, then long, otherwise possibility of short, especially when the price broken, as you can see here, and after the price breakout and retest give us the confirmation, that was the short trade here. In 4-hour, you can see here the price nicely respected, come back here and develop a pullback here. You can see here we have a pullback after the breakout, second and third pullback, beautiful. So we have taken almost all the pullback short trade here. Amazing trade guys today on Euro USD. Cable, we have the same sort of scenario. If you look at, if you haven't seen my previous analysis, you can watch it. Link is given in the video description. We were short. Once we see the price develop a head and shoulder pattern, we have this breakout. After the breakout, price nicely retest. Once the price developed bearish engulfing candle, we were short here, especially when the price broke on the previous low, and we have taken all the short trade here. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday to refine the entries and exit. As you can see here, yesterday at the afternoon, at the New York session, as you can see here, the price was at this level. As you can see here, explain to my trader, if the price is going to break this pattern, that's going to give us the confirmation. You can see here, so price nicely broken this, as you can see here, the 200 EMA at this level. You can see here, price developed, previously developed double bottom here, price broken here, price broken here, this consolidation in 4-hour, as you can see here, and that's what I explained to them. Based on the momentum, all pullbacks, beautiful trade. And this morning, as soon as the price hit to the previous low, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And afterwards, as always, after banking some profit, look for another pullback. Pretty straightforward. As you can see here, the price nicely, based on the analysis, that was the first priority. We always look towards the momentum and trend. We're only looking counter if the price break the recent high, as explained through live analysis. If the price gonna break and retest, give us the confirmation, then long, otherwise we are mostly interested pullback. As you can see here, price nicely red candle, momentum was bearish, beautiful pullback, another pullback. As you can see here, price broken and retest, beautiful short trades on pound dollar, amazing profit. Most of the traders bank 100+ pips today. All right, so dollar CAD, we had another interesting trade. As you can see here, yesterday we had the short trade here, London morning session. At the New York session, price nicely respected, as explained to my trader. Previously, price respected this level, so we're looking at counter long trade here. which price nicely developed and explained to my trader if the price is going to develop false breakout, then I'm expecting a nice big move. So we had all this pullback. We are long from here. Let me explain to you how I analyze market entries here and rest of the pullbacks. If you look at the dollar CAD, when the price was at this level, so I did this analysis, explain to my trader, this is the way, explain to my trader, look for this breakout if the price is going to explain in more detail through live analysis. Because you look at here, technically price develop a double bottom here. If the price gonna break, that's the aggressive way, and afterwards keep taking a pullbacks. So you have this one, breakout, pullback. That's the beautiful trade from here. And once the price reach this level, so we have another pattern develop, which I broadcasted that analysis, as you can see here from yesterday. Once we bank some profit, explain to my trader if the price gonna break, then short here, otherwise long here. As you can see here, price nicely broken. After the breakout, price retest, we have confirmation false breakout, and you can see here nice pullback after 1, 2, 3 beautiful pullbacks. So bank amazing profit this morning. And afterwards I did another analysis after that just before London Open. As always, we have long momentum trend and price broken this level, so we're looking another pullback at this level. As you can see here, price nicely came back based on the analysis, based on the momentum trend, pullback and another pullback, another pullback. As you can see here, price nicely developed pullback and bank amazing profit. As you can see guys, how we analyze in intraday through the sentiment and higher support and resistance level in 4 hour and bank profit every single day. I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. If you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis with a live audio commentary support. Or if you are interested how I coach and train traders with the live market in real time, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.